Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to my next video. It's raining. Stay inside, keep dry, and I hate this. I hate rain. So what? Guys, I'll show you. See, look at that. It's like we're back to winter again. Ew. We just had some thunder and lightning. We had, look at that cloud. Ew. Yeah, so we close the door. We don't want the rain coming in. If you guys like this channel, subscribe, whatever, like whatever. Like my new shirt, my t-shirt today. I've got Harley from the Jerkers Pudding. Yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, like, subscribe, extra whatever. Ronnie is out.